Hello everyone, we're gonna do a quick tutorial of my application for home search. It's called Mobile Connect, or you can see here the Next Home logo on it. It's the little white icon right next to McDonald's there. So let's jump right in and let's get a tutorial to do the mortgage calculator. So when you first open it, you will see this screen right here, and you gotta go to the three lines on the top left corner of your screen. Let's go ahead and click on that. Once you get in there, the next page is gonna show you three options. We're gonna go to mortgage calculator, okay? And we are here. Please disregard the notifications that are popping up, but let's jump right in. Let's not waste much time. This is the top number here, the 2,242 is the monthly payment that you're gonna pay approximately when you buy a home in the numbers that we have on the bottom. But let's jump right in with the numbers. I just click on the more option tab. Sorry. See, it was just like that. We just click on the more options to open more options, more numbers for us to know. We're going to assume we're buying a brand new construction. And for that, the first toggle here is price. Usually, brand new constructions will be in the 250,000 and up. We're going to assume that this one is 290,000. So we have it at that amount here. You can move the toggle as you want to get the number you need. Down payment, if you're working with, and we're on the next toggle down. If you're working with an FHA, you are a first-time home buyer and you qualify for FHA loan, you are eligible to pay only 3.5% of your down payment. If you're conventional, you will pay 5%. That's the minimum you can pay. But let's assume you are a first-time home buyer and you get the 3.5% down payment. That's your number right there, $10,000, $10,150. Let's go one more down, and it says interest rate. This varies day by day. You got to talk to your lender to get a better, accurate number. Obviously, they're going to ask to run your credit and your finances in order to see what interest rate you qualify for. But anyways, let's assume that we're right in the middle. We're looking at interest rates between 4.75 to 6%. Right now, we're going to assume that you qualify and you got approved for a 5.6% interest rate. We're going to leave it as it is. The next toggle down is property taxes. The best way to find out about property taxes is giving me a call, 228-261-8062. I usually have ways to see what a property pays for taxes according to the area where it is. We're going to assume that for this property, we're going to have to pay a yearly amount of, let's see, $2,000, maybe a little up or about the right amount there. Now, the next toggle down will be homeowners insurance. A lot of discounts are offered when you buy a new construction. So it could be a good thing. Now, depending on how close you are to the water, those discounts and numbers will change. Water this any body of water, river, especially the beach, is a very important thing, okay? But we're going to assume that this new construction, you're going to have to pay 24 or in the 2,000 range area, okay? That's normal nowadays in the coast. You can definitely get something cheaper. All right. Now, HOA. This varies depending on the community. Obviously, we're assuming that this home is a brand new construction. Sometimes in brand new constructions, depending on the type of subdivision you are buying in, you will have HOA dues. For the purpose of this video, we're going to leave it at 0, but you can move this toggle around. It will be an exact number increase on the very top on the monthly amount. Sometimes you pay this out of pocket every year. So it all depends. Now, the next one down is a button, orange toggle here, toggle switch. You can turn it on or off. But usually, if you pay 3.5%, if you pay less than 20% on your down payment, usually the PMI, private mortgage insurance, will be on. This is a protection that the borrowing institution or the lending institution, the lender, has to have in order to protect their investment. If you pay less than 20%, they require you to pay that amount monthly for a certain amount of years just to protect their investment. So let's say you pay 20% because you have the means to do that. You can definitely turn that off and your monthly payment goes down significantly. Now, some lenders in the coast have a promotion where they assume the risk and they don't let you pay that. Please give me a call if you want to find out more about that. But this is basically what the mortgage calculator does. So assuming we have all the numbers, as you can see right under the half circle here, we got all the numbers split in 4 different areas. The first number is $1,611, which is principal and interest. Goes straight into your mortgage, and it lowers your amount. Now, the next number down, the yellow part, is the homeowner's insurance. It's divided into 12 months, and monthly you're gonna pay $205. That amount can vary up and down depending on the premium that you are able to get. Now, the next number is the PMI. That number can be turned off if you pay more. And I think also, depending on some loans, you can ask to be removed after a certain amount of years. And the last number here is property taxes. This is another number that can vary depending on how the community around you is developing. Cities will move that tax amount up and down, usually up. But anyways, that's a quick tutorial on how to use my app and use the mortgage calculator. You have a blessed day.